Welcome to Maimun Tech Tips. Hope you guys are doing great. And thanks for showing interest in this video. In this video, we are going to cover major points you have to consider before buying any product in Flipkart or Amazon during the festival sale. Trust me, this video is going to be really useful. This is not just the SBI card or HDFC card offers usually everybody talks about. So watch till the end. This video is going to be really useful. If you find this video useful during any point in time, please don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also get additional discounts. If you are new to Maimon Tech Tips, please subscribe to Maimon Tech Tips. We post 3 new useful tech videos every week. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. We will cover this video point by point. Some points might be already known to you, but trust me, some points are going to be really eye-opening. So please watch this video without skipping so that you won't miss anything out of this video. Point number 1. Buy relevant items in Flipkart. Flipkart actually has an internal algorithm or some kind of a hidden offers they run. If you buy relevant items like coffee table and a sofa, study table and a study chair, they will give you extra 10% discount on any one of the item. For example, in this case, when I add a sofa and in coffee table, I get extra 10% discount. First, this offer applies to all most of the products in the furniture items. This discount is not limited to only 10%. If we add more relevant items, for example, sofa, TV unit and a coffee table, you may end up getting more discounts. So before buying any items in the Flipkart, please consider this point and avail extra discounts. Point number 2, super coins deals. This particular offer is known to most of people, but just a reminder, before buying any product in Flipkart, go to the super coin section and see do you have any super coins deal for the product you're gonna buy. So if yes, buy that coupon and avail extra discount on certain products. Please go and check that out. Before going to the important and the major point, we will talk about the card discounts. Flipkart and Amazon has exclusive card offers, so that is pretty much known to everyone, but I will also talk about why you need to use credit card over debit card to avail extra discounts. Amazon going to give discount for both credit card and the debit card. As you can see in the screen, if you use credit card only, you're going to get 1750 rupees discount during the time 16 to 17, and in debit card you're gonna get only 1250 rupees, and after 17th if you are using debit card you're gonna get only 500 rupees. So if you are planning for a debit card purchase, please make that before 17th. And one more point to note is also, if you are planning to make a purchase above 30,000 rupees using credit card, you will get 1250 rupees extra cashback. One major point to note is like each card can get discount within this date range, that is 16 to 17 and 18 to 19, 20 to 23. So for each of these date range you can get extra discount, so plan your purchases accordingly. The similar kind of date range offers exist Flipkart as well using SBI card. Date ranges from 16 to 17, 18 to 19, 20 to 21st. If you are using credit card purchase for above 30,000 rupees, you're gonna get extra 1250 rupees discount and 4,000 rupees for above 1 lakh purchase. Here we come to the final point. In this point we're gonna talk about how you can get 40,000 product in 36,000 without applying any card offers. So eventually you can apply some card offers on top of that to get extra discounts. So this is one of the major point I would like you guys to check before buying any purchase in Flipkart. So let's see what is that. Before buying any product in Flipkart, go to filter and apply buy more save more. For example, in this case I am taking the camera. If you are not utilizing the buy more save more offer, you will get this product only for 40,000 rupees as you see in the screen. If you go to the product, the first combo offer says buy 3 to 4 items and save 5% and buy 5 or more to save 10%. So what we're gonna do is like go and see all the products. So if you click on that link, so you will see lot of products which are just less than 100 rupees. So what we're gonna do is like, since the offer says buy more and get 10% off, I'm going to add 5 products from this product list and let's see what will be the price of this camera. Now I have added 5 products in that list. For example, I have added some data cables for 50 rupees and one selfie camera for 150 rupees. So I have added just a matter of 500 rupees extra. Since it's an buy more get more offer, I have added 5 more product from the product list. I have got extra 4,000 rupees discount on this camera. So now the camera's effective price is 36,000 rupees, and I have just added some product for like 350 rupees. So from 39,000 rupees we have reduced it to 36,351 rupees, even with some more products. So which is actually a trick you have to apply. On top of this 36,000 rupees, if you apply SBI credit card offer, you're gonna get extra 3,000 rupees off. So your camera price will be just 34,000. So these are the important major points you have to apply in Amazon and Flipkart to get best discount during this festival seasons. Trust me guys, this tips and tricks not gonna work only for this year, but if you follow this you can actually save a lot of money in all festival seasons. I hope this video is actually useful to you. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to Maimun Tech Tips for useful tech videos, and share this video to your friend so that they can also avail exclusive discount like this. See you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye.